Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In Social Studies of Class 5, today we will discuss the part 3 of lesson 4, Crops of Pakistan. In this part, we will discuss the written work. Take out your Social Studies books and your notebook as well. First of all, take out your books. Exercise A, fill in the blanks. Pakistan is an dash country. Pakistan is an agricultural country. Number 2, Rabi crops are sown in the winter and harvested in the summer. Number 3, the province of Punjab grows most of the wheat in Pakistan. Number 4, Pakistan is the world's third largest gram producing industry. Number 5, Balochistan is called the fruit basket of Pakistan. Balochistan is called the fruit basket of Pakistan. Next, exercise B. Mark whether these statements are true or false. Number 1. Kharif crops are sown in the early summer. No, this is false. Number 2. The best quality of rice is grown in district Multan. That is false. Number 3. Sugar is used in every beverage of Pakistan. That's true. Number 4. We get about 50% of maize from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Punjab. This is false. Number 5. Mango is our national fruit. Yes, it's true. Mango is our national fruit. Now take out your copies and start writing the question answers with me. Question number 1. What is the difference between Rabi and Kharif crops? First of all, Rabi crops. Rabi crops are sown in the winter and harvested in the summer. Examples are wheat, oilseed, gram, lentil, that is masoor, barley. And Kharif crops are sown in the summer or monsoon season and harvested in the autumn or early winter. Examples are rice, sugarcane, cotton, maize, moong, mash, bajra and jawar. Now moving towards question number 2, write down the question. Which province produces most of the wheat? The answer is the province of Punjab grows the most of the wheat. The province of Punjab grows the most amount of the wheat. After writing question number 2, moving towards question number 3, write the names of fruits crops of Pakistan. Fruits grown in Pakistan are date, mango, guava, citrus, apple, banana, apricot, grape, almond, peach, plum, pomegranate, watermelon, lychees and papaya, etc. Question number 4. Why is sugarcane an important crop of the world? Sugarcane is a valuable crop of Pakistan as sugar is used in every beverage available everywhere. Sugar is also used in sweets. Sugar is also used in sweet meats. It is also used in sweet meats, bakery products, confectionery items and in medicines. So it is an important crop of the world. Question number 5. When does cotton is cultivated in Sindh and Punjab? In Sindh, cotton cultivation begins in April and its picking starts from August. In Punjab, it is grown in May or June and its picking begins by September or by October. Now note down your homework. Do exercise A and B in book and do question answers in your copy. After doing your book work and copy work, submit your copy and book in school for the purpose of checking. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.